cold morning. Noiseless Model 4. It's behind the cover. It's very heavy, the metal. It's very nice. This typewriter has a history because this typewriter is allowed on the floor of the Democratic and then Republic Convention in the 1920. So this is a very historic value. I think because of the noiseless the picture, that's why it was allowed. When I found this one, it's totally stopped. So I took this cover and then I cleaned one by one everything because it was totally stopped. But right now it's okay to move freely. And then this platen is a very special one. I think we can use one more century. It's not a regular platen. It's very special. Never wear out. Maybe no, I don't think so. This is a paper release, and then this is a carriage release. The same this part, and then it's yeah, like this one, and then also this ribbon spool cover. It's very well designed. So still I need to clean more inside, but finally it just start to work mechanically perfect. Actually I got a big problem. I'll show you with the paper. I clean a lot, and then when I try to hit the key, the problem is the print. Imprint is very not clear. But right now, even though I use the very old ribbon, still we can get the letter. Where is the letter? Here, right? Yeah. But this is the adjust for that. See, if right now here I already adjust to one more, like after remove everything. Yes, we can adjust a little bit more. The end of this zero, and then I took out this one, and then we can go farther, and then unscrew this one, and then move back, and then screw again. That means we can this much adjust. But I'll show you something. If you move this one to the number 16 like this, that means whole under the carriage you can see this part. Look at this part. I move this one again to the 0, okay, 0 point. Then it's this part, the under the carriage, this means hold this space bar, move backward. That means close to the platen. Let's see. It's very hard to see. Okay, let's see. Maybe we'll see the very small movement, right? See? Yeah. So if I move to like this 16, then same letter hit, no hit the H. See? I got a H, right? This is when I put this one to the 0. Now I put the 16, right? But we can get any letter. See? Even though I hit hard, Also, we can get the skipping. If move like this, that means too far away from the ribbon guide to the platen. That means no ladder, and then also we can get the skipping. But let's see. If you move this button to the adjust, like close to 0, then even though very old ribbon, we can get the ladder. See, I show you. See, let's see. Where is that? Yeah, see? Yeah, no skipping. Yeah. So, antique typewriter collector from there, one gentleman pointed to this. At that time, even though 0, still I can get the ladder. So I unscrew these two and then take off this one, and then this one move back to the here, and then unscrew this part, and then this one come back to the original position, and then screw again. After that, I can get the very perfect solution like this. So this is the answer. This is the key. So also we can adjust after this one. We can more make close to from here to here. So depending on this one. Also another one. There is a bottom. It's very heavy. So this lever turn right. That means we can get the change the tension of this spring. This also affected the skipping, and then return key is how quickly return the key, depending on the tension of the spring. So we can adjust that spring using this one. So I already tested everything. So I am very happy to find this solution. So right now mechanically working perfect, even though we need clean a lot more, right? So I think normally for the like this mechanism, Noiseless, it's very notorious for the skipping, but this idea is very good. We can get the more clear imprint and then prevent the skipping. See, I hit a lot, test a lot, and then everything, but never skipping. See, yeah. So that's good design, well designed for this part. And then other part behind it, it's a bell works good. It's a bell works good. Then it's a mainspring, this one. The bell mechanism like this, you touch and then hit bell. It's very solid material they use, very heavy. So there is a serial number here, right? 50088. It was manufactured in 1920, so more than 100 years ago. So very nice typewriter. Also very beautiful logo over the, tiger over the typewriter, right? Yeah, beautiful. All right, let's see sample typing. Thank you for watching.